is bad. I'm at a
Children are
stage in my life
blessings from God.
where
Yes.
you know I can afford to be pregnant and give my child the best care. Regardless, I have a partner. I didn't go in there to say, "Oh, I'm a virgin girl." No, that wasn't the entire idea.
That's
but
pretty much a
you
brag,
know,
by the way.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, she may be right. She's right, not she may be right. There are so many factors that can make you, have a delay period for menstrual cycle. Just like she said, it can be PCOS, it can be stress, it can be anything, hormonal imbalance, anything can do that. But then again, as she's saying that, we can as well check the other side. And she said she has done tests and it is negative, but people still don't want to believe that. And being that Cassia is with her in the house, although Cassia actually said, you can hear that from the video, that she actually told her to her face that she's pregnant and she laughed it away. But even if she's pregnant, you don't expect her to just come out and say it. She just left the house. Do you understand? You don't expect her to just come out and say it. I am pregnant. You guys already know that she cannot say that kind of thing. Now, come on. Even if now you go just come out for television and say, "Hey, I'm pregnant. I enter Big Brother house when I say I can't carry belly." It's not possible now. It's not possible. But people has a lot to say about this issue. First person said vomiting isn't necessarily a sign of pregnancy, which is true. Even if she's pregnant, are you people expecting her to say the truth like that? She will definitely hide it first to know what really they saw. But I like CHINWE though. Abby, she's not going to say it. No, you won't come out, Abby. People just are funny. So this person said, I love her. She's so eloquent. Yeah, she speaks well. Double K, take all my votes. What Double K? Make me no lose God. She may got the pregnancy glow though. Just kidding, but she looks really good. Yeah, I like the fact that she speaks well. Yeah, she's very confident about herself. Even if she's pregnant or she's not, she still answer on her. You don't remove them. I am at a stage in my life where I can afford to be pregnant. Copy that. Pregnancy is only a scare when you broke. Wow. As a woman, yeah. Well, she had her points. To be honest, there are so many factors that can delay your menstrual cycle as a woman. That one is for sure. But we don't know. Now people carry us come. Now people they do. Even when they were gesturing to Zion to go and check on her because she was vomiting, he stayed put. I don't think she wants to admit it, especially with how indifferent Zion is being towards it. You people shouldn't expect her to come out like that now. Coupled with her own new fame, she no go on keep am. You people expect her to say yes, blah blah blah. I was just going through the comments, some were just really funny. But if she actually opened up to say she's pregnant, she could really sell market as an influencer, don't you think? Why is she even shouting on us? Make her hear what, madam. So guys, this is the gist I brought for you guys, and if you're new here, please kindly click the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. For my old subscribers, thank you guys so much for staying put. See you guys in my next video. Bye.